Hi, Lisa from Zumtobel, here today to introduce you to Mirel, a family of luminaires consisting of recessed, surface mount, and pendant luminaires. These fixtures are great for shallow plenums or low ceiling heights due to the fact that they are less than 2 inches in overall height. Mirel is one of the most advanced louvered luminaires thanks to the quadrification lens optic. The structure of the lens results in a batwing light distribution, shown here. You can see how the unique quadrification lens optic combines directional light distribution with a brilliant look. Furthermore, high lighting quality requirements are met through excellent glare control, high luminaire efficiency, and the batwing beam pattern. This glare-free light can help meet L04 UGR requirements of the WELL certification process. The Mirel pendant is an ultra-slim indirect direct luminaire offered with a 70% downlight and a 30% uplight. These pendants can be individually or continuously mounted. The Mirel 1x4 or 2x2 is available in both recessed or surface mount. The 2x4 is available in recessed only. These super attractive fixtures will amp up the look of any office, conference room, or educational facility. Last but not least, these fixtures have efficiencies up to 134 lumens per watt, available in 30, 35, or 40K, and a variety of dimming options are available. Thanks for watching this overview of Mirel. If you would like more information, please reach out to your local agent. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product updates.